everybody, I'm Lindsay Adler, and today we are on set for a workshop sponsored by Nanlite. The theme is exploring color. Today on set, we are looking at color and all the ways it can transform your photography. Color can appear in the background, in the styling, and in the color of light. Now we begin the day talking about the emotions of color, the storytelling of color, and of course, color theory and color harmonies. We learn about monochromatic color, complementary, analogous, split complementary, triadic, and much more. Then we put it into practice with 6 different conceptual sets. In one of the sets, we explored my favorite color, red, and we did so with a single light. I used the Nanlite Forza 720B and an extra large umbrella with diffusion. This gave us really soft and flattering light, and when it was feathered across the scene, this allowed the background to appear even more saturated. So one light, but with beautiful styling and the right background choice, gives us an impressive monochromatic color scheme. On another set, we created super saturated pops of light exploring the triadic color theory. For our main light, we used the Nanlite Forza 60C with the projector mount, which allowed us to get this beautiful pocket of light and then turn it to a super saturated red. Then we brought in the Nanlite Pavo tubes, dialed into blue. And then the final piece of the equation is a yellow background, giving us that perfect balance of triadic colors. All right, so I hope you've enjoyed a peek behind the scenes of this workshop all about color. If you'd like to join me, be sure to check out the links in the description below for a future hands-on workshop event. And of course, you're going to want to like and subscribe for more great content from Nanlite.